my friends, from Affordable Off-Road Recovery. And this moment we going for a call service. Somebody went into the manhole or B-hole or something, and now he's stuck, and the customer just wanted to come and pick them out. As you see before, this is Chepito. A ver, Chepito, what do you want to say?
It's us again. It's not really a recovery, just somebody fell in a hole and they need a quick pull. But we'll show it to you and see what you think, okay? Stay tuned.
Okay, my friends, he said better than I, so that's what we're going to do. See you in a little bit. This one, yes, oh yes, just get off. Hi sir, how you doing today?
All right.
Really nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think it's damaged anything.
I don't know. I was looking at it. It looks like no damage.
But if you lift it, you know, we can probably make it go
Push
back.
it back. That's
Yes.
You can look underneath. I think it's the same thing.
Yes. Let me see. Oh yes. Yes. The vehicle is okay. I'm glad you call us, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. It just went just a little bit off before, but okay. So Chepito is gonna lift it out and push it out. Okay, we see how he's doing it, okay? Hold on. Okay, I think we need to lift it and just go with the bed back. Yes, okay? And I think it's better just get it from the belly tire. Hold on, let me get this thing. Yeah, we just take these tires and see how he's gonna perform it.
Okay, my friends, it's a nice car, but we're trying not to damage it at all. So we'll see how it works, okay?
Hey, just ahí, right there. Yes, keep going. Yes, right there. It's beautiful. Right there. Okay, well, that's affordable of recovery. One of those little incidents, but I guess looks okay. Okay, my friends, from affordable off-road recovery. Okay, or we can say the other way, economy towing, or another way, something that you can afford. Well, looks like we done this. That's the job when it's done. Well, we hoping you enjoy. Please give us your comments, subscribe. We just want you guys be happy, and we really appreciate all your support. Yes, we see you to the next time. Bye.